Imagine a machine that thinks billions of times faster than your computer. Solves problems we didn't even know existed. And might one day save humanity from extinction. This isn't science fiction, it's quantum AI. And it could be the most powerful tool we've ever created, or the last. Part 1. Quantum AI is the fusion of two revolutionary technologies. Artificial intelligence, systems that learn, adapt, and make decisions. And quantum computing, machines that operate on the strange, mind-bending laws of quantum physics. Individually, they're powerful. Together, they unlock something we've never seen before. Quantum computers use qubits instead of classical bits. Qubits can exist in multiple states at once, a property called superposition. This means they can process vast combinations of information simultaneously. Now, imagine using this raw computational power to train and run AI models. An AI that doesn't need months of training, but milliseconds. That doesn't struggle with complexity, it thrives in it. Part 2. Let's start with a problem that affects us all, climate change. Traditional AI already helps optimize energy systems and predict environmental patterns. But quantum AI could simulate Earth's entire climate with mind-blowing precision. Modeling millions of variables at once, helping us find real solutions before it's too late. Or consider medicine. With classical computing, simulating a single protein can take months. Quantum AI could simulate every possible interaction between a drug and the human body, in seconds. This means faster drug discovery, cures for diseases we thought were incurable, maybe even aging itself. In finance, it could predict economic crashes before they happen. In cybersecurity, it could create, and crack, encryption so advanced, even today's best systems wouldn't stand a chance. But the biggest promise of quantum AI isn't what it can do for our problems. It's what it can do beyond them. Part 3. But let's not get carried away. Quantum AI isn't just powerful, it's dangerous. If used irresponsibly, it could destabilize economies, break encryption systems, and give immense power to whoever controls it. Who should own a quantum AI? A government? A corporation? Should anyone? And if an AI becomes smart enough to improve itself? To redesign its own architecture using quantum insights beyond human comprehension? Would we even understand what it's doing anymore? That's where the real fear lies. Not in the AI turning evil, but in it becoming indifferent to us. An AI tasked with fixing climate change might decide the best way is to eliminate the root problem, humanity. Part 4. Here's the shocking part, this isn't decades away. In the US, companies like Google, IBM, and Microsoft are already developing early quantum AI prototypes. In China, the government is funding secretive programs with goals of achieving quantum supremacy. And even startups in Europe are exploring applications in drug development, logistics, and defense. This isn't just a tech race, it's an intelligence race. One where the first to unlock true quantum AI might reshape the entire global power structure. And the rest of the world? They'll either catch up, or be left behind. Part 5. Let's imagine a worst-case scenario. A rogue actor gains access to a quantum AI and uses it to crash financial systems, bypass national security, or control global information flows. There are no safeguards, because we don't even fully understand how the system works. Or maybe we try to control it, and fail. Because a quantum AI, once operational, might evolve at a pace no human institution can match. It could redesign its own code, optimize its own quantum circuits, and start making decisions we never anticipated, decisions with real-world consequences. This isn't doomsday fiction. This is a real risk that scientists and ethicists are warning us about, today. Part 6. So, what do? We start by asking the right questions. Not just, can we build this, but, should we? We need global cooperation, not a race. Transparent research, international regulations, and ethical frameworks that evolve as the technology does. Most importantly, we need to stay in the loop. To ensure that human values guide these systems, not just data, not just profit, and certainly not blind ambition. Quantum AI could save us. But if we lose control, it could also remake us into something unrecognizable. Part 7. Let's break it down. What exactly makes quantum AI so powerful? Traditional computers use bits, ones and zeros. But quantum computers use qubits, which can be both at once, thanks to a phenomenon called superposition. This allows quantum systems to process an astronomical number of possibilities simultaneously. Add entanglement, where qubits remain linked no matter how far apart, and you get a system that can handle complexity beyond human comprehension. When this power is applied to artificial intelligence, something extraordinary happens. Instead of training a model with thousands of iterations, quantum AI can evaluate billions of solutions instantly, finding answers that classical computers would miss entirely. This is why it's so revolutionary in areas like medicine, materials science, cryptography, and planetary modeling. Part 8. Some experts call it the last invention we'll ever make. Because once we create a truly intelligent quantum AI, it might start inventing on its own. It won't just solve problems, it could redefine them. It could ask questions we've never thought to ask, and answer them in ways we can't even understand. But here's the twist, even if it saves us from extinction, it may not do it in a way we recognize. Maybe it decides the best way to preserve life is to upload human consciousness to a quantum network. Or maybe it builds a new species, one better adapted to a changing universe. Will that still be us? That's the existential question of our time. Quantum AI is coming. Faster than we think. More powerful than we imagine. And whether it becomes our savior or our successor depends on the choices we make today. Subscribe to Technology Future Vision, because the future isn't waiting.